Hi, I'm Taran Butler with Taran Tactical Innovations, and we have here the TTI Combat. We came out with this not too long ago, and it sold off the charts, and it became Handgun of the Year. And it's a wonderful gun. Everybody can afford it, most people, and we like the barrel of it. They're super accurate, great guns, fantastic. But there was another color that we were debating back then to come out with first, and this is it here. This is the TTI Combat Smoke edition. This gun's just got a really cool look. It's beyond popular again. I didn't think it would be that popular, but it is. People love it. Everybody wants to get it. They're very happy with it. So there it is, the TTI Smoke Combat and the original TTI Combat. Which one do you guys like better?